Hello everyone. According to reports, the site listed the fuel cap as being compatible with the RE1250/RE1250S, Pan America 1250/1250S, as well as RE975 and RE975S, with the latter assuming to be the Pan America models powered by the Revolution Max 975 cubic centimeters engine like the one found on the Nightster. In addition, the NHTSA, who is responsible for overseeing vehicle recalls, already established a dedicated web pages for the RE975 and RE975S. The Pan America 1250, despite straying far from Harley's normal offerings, also survived. It proved every inch the success that Levitic must have hoped for when he announced it in 2018. Reaching the market as a 2021 bike, a year behind the initial schedule, it raced straight to the top of the adventure bike sales charts in the US. But what of the smaller 975 cubic centimeters version of the Pan America? In the original More Roads plan, the strategy was clear. The range was to be two bikes, a 1,250 cubic centimeters version leading the way with a 975 cubic centimeters model coming a year later. While the smaller bike didn't hit that launch target, it's very much still part of Harley Davidson's plan, and there are plenty of indications that its launch isn't too far away. In fact, there's evidence that the RE975 and RE975S versions of the Pan America were due to be released as 2022 models, 1 year behind the larger RE1250. The NHTSA, which among many other things is responsible for overseeing vehicle recalls, already has dedicated web pages for the 2022 Harley Davidson RE975 and 2022 Harley Davidson RE975S. In other words, Harley Davidson has informed the NHTSA that there's a 975 cubic centimeters version of the Pan America, and it was due to be a 2022 model. Here is specifications. Two-wheeler type adventure, engine cc, displacement 1,252 cubic centimeters, maximum power 150 HP at 8750 RPM, maximum torque 128 Newton meters at 6750 RPM, number of cylinders 2, number of gears 6, seat height 850 millimeters, ground clearance 210 millimeters, curb weight 245 kilograms, fuel tank capacity 21.2 liters.